In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix we can't reach this page error in Microsoft Edge. So let's get started. So click on the start button and then you have to go to settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on system. Then you have to scroll down and click on troubleshoot. Now once you are in the troubleshoot window, click on other troubleshooters. Then here you'll find network and internet with the run button corresponding to it. So run the network and internet troubleshooter. Follow the on-screen instructions that will give you suggestions and recommendations in fixing the issue. After running the troubleshooter, do not forget to restart your Windows. Right-click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. So if this video is valuable, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel so we can produce more useful tutorials for you. The next thing we can do is we can also change the DNS. So go to the Windows search bar and type ncpa.cpl. Click on it under the best match. You'll find your network adapter. Right click and then go to properties. Now here, you'll find the Internet Protocol version 4. Click on properties. Then click on the option use the following DNS server addresses. For the preferred DNS server, you need to type 8.8.8.8. For the alternate DNS server, type 8.8.4.4. This is the Google's DNS, one of the greatest DNS, and click on OK. Then scroll down to the IPv6. This one, you might also consider to enable it, and then click on OK. Close this and see. Then for the next method, we need to check the DNS client service. So go to the Windows search bar and type services. Click on services under the best match. Then we need to simply scroll down and look for the DNS. So simply click on any of the service and then click the D key on your keyboard. Here it is, the DNS client. Right click and then go to properties. Startup type, make sure that is automatic. Service status, make sure this is running. So simply click on start, apply, and then OK. Close this. Then open the Microsoft Edge browser. Click on the three dots on the top right corner, scroll down and click on settings. Then you have to click on privacy search and services. Click on clear browsing data. Time range, change that to all time. Make sure all of these are selected and simply click on clear now. Now once you have deleted the browser cache and cookies, then also click on the reset settings button, restore settings to their default values, and click on the reset button. Okay? And that's it. So again, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.